morning, everyone. Today is grape harvesting day. Our grapevine has grown up into the tree. It's doing really well. We have grapes all over, and our birds are just going nuts. They have been trying to eat 100% of our grapes, and we've tried to save what we can from them with these fruit mesh bags. They seem to be working pretty well for the small bunches, but I need to buy bigger ones because some of my big bunches, they managed to get around the mesh. I just tried to kind of cover it and it didn't work, and the birds ate everything. So we just tasted some of them and they are sweet, even though the grapes are still really small. I was hoping to get them bigger this year, and we've been watering a lot more than we did last summer. But I guess this variety is just small. I believe it's a Thompson grapevine. Yeah, you have a bag too. Are you ready to help me, Mini Farmer? Okay, we got our basket ready. Let's go. Is it a little hard to cut? You might have to. Where's Mommy's scissors? Because yours might not be strong enough. There you go. Yes, I do have some more grapes. Look underneath for another bag, and we'll start with another one. No. You can come help me right here. Okay. I'll use the scissors, and then you can take them out. How's that? Good job, you. They're beautiful. Be gentle with them so they don't all fall off. Set them in nicely. Please don't drop them next time. Okay, let's see if we can fill our basket full. Yes. Delicious. They're so sweet. As you can see, our grapes are not too bad. They're really small, but boy, are they sweet. I'll have to do some more research and see if this is the right size or if it's because we're not watering enough. I'm just not sure, but the sweetness indicates that they did get enough water. So we are going to really enjoy these grapes. Would you like to try one? Try using your elbow. No sprays, organic, pesticide-free, so we can just eat them right off the vine with no worries about what we're eating. Just good, beautiful grapes. any of these grapes are going to make it into the house. We're eating them so quickly.
Yeah. They're so yummy.
Oh, Mini Farmer, you can't give it baby Alex a whole grape. You need to bite it in half first, so he doesn't choke on it. Here, let me help you, baby. I'll give it back to you. There. See? Now it's crunched in half and then it won't get stuck in his throat. Is that delicious?
Yummy! It's just sliding our packing grapes.
Oh, you're dropping some on the floor.
The birds will eat them.
That's true, they will. They love them.
I'm saving some for the birds.
Okay.
Look at them like grapes. All over the place. Because I'm flipping them. It's not awfully yummy for the birds. It's
Well,
okay.
save as many as you can for us because we like them too. The birds have already eaten half. Oh, baby farmer, don't eat a leaf. Here's another grape for you. The leaves aren't quite so good, are they? Here you go. Is that better? This is a pretty good harvest, and we didn't plant this. We are benefiting from the previous owners and what they planted. So all we had to do is remember to water it. Oh, we got an ant biting my foot. The ants like this area too. Ouch! Mini Farmer, you've been a great helper. Thank you.
Just move.
Just move so the ants get away from me? Yeah, I think they need to.
Move.
Thank you for watching. Come back and see what we're doing tomorrow.